S. So x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, I cap. Sorry, this is unit vector along x-axis is I cap. Unit vector along y-axis is j cap. Unit vector along z-axis is k cap. So as we have seen, a cross I cross I equal to j cross j equal to k cross k equal to. Now I cross j is equal to k, as the cross product of the two vectors will take place in the direction perpendicular to the plane of the two vectors, and all I cap, j cap and k cap are mutually perpendicular to each other. The vector perpendicular to these two is vector k cap. Next, j cross k cap is equal to I cap and k cross I cap equal to j cap. So if you interchange these, sign of these will be changed, as a cross b is not equal to b cross a. It is not commutative, but a cross b equal to minus of b cross a. These results will help you to solve the next problems. If the scalar triple product of the three vectors a cross b and b cross a and c cross a, b cross a and c cross a equal to lambda times of the scalar product of the two vector square, three vector square, box a b c whole square. Box product is also called as scalar triple product. So now, according to the given condition, so here I will take vector a equal to I cap, vector b equal to j cap and vector c equal to k cap. Let me find what is a cross b. It is I cross j equal to k, b cross c equal to j cross k is equal to I, and c cross a equal to k cross I is equal to j. So I substitute in the given condition. This is the box. A cross b is k cap, b cross c is j cap, and c cross a is, sorry, b cross c is I cap, and c cross a equal to j cap is equal to lambda times of box I cap, j cap, k cap whole square. This box product is dot product, scalar triple product of the three vectors k dot I cross j is equal to lambda. This is also I dot j cross k, its square. K dot I cross j is k, because cross product of the two vectors is taking place in the direction perpendicular to the plane of the two vectors. Therefore, I cross j is k. I have given you the list of the formulae. This is k is equal to lambda times of I dot j cross k is once again I whole square. K cross k is 1 is equal to lambda times of I cross I is also 1. Therefore, the required values for lambda is 1. So, option B is correct. Okay, let us go to the second problem. If the two vectors A and B are such that their magnitude is root 29 and A cross of 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap cross B, what is the value of vector A plus B into minus 7I cap plus 2J cap plus 3K cap, let us say. It is given that vector A, magnitude of vector A plus vector B equal to root 29. By seeing the problem, you are frightened of, it seems. So, no students, I will give you the very easiest way and shortest method, very shortest way and TikTok method to you to solve this one. And A cross 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap is equal to 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap cross B. A cross 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap. You know, cross product of the two vectors is not commutative. A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but A cross B equal to minus B cross A. If we interchange this vector and vector B, if it comes first vector B, B cross of 2I plus 3J plus 4K, so it is minus of. It is minus of B cross of 2I plus 3J plus 4K. If you brought entire term to LHS, so LHS, it will be plus B cross 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap is equal to 0. Now, this factor is common. You can take this common. Vector A plus vector B into 2I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap is equal to 0. Surely this factor is not 0. The product of the two things is 0 means one of the two is 0. But this is not 0 as it is a vector, its magnitude is other than 0. Therefore, A plus B must be 0. A plus B must be 0. If A plus B equal to 0, then so here if the sum of the two vectors it is 0. Okay, let's continue. So if A plus B cross 2I plus 3J plus 4K equal to 0, after taking these common vectors, common, so it is A plus B cross 2I plus 3J plus 4K is equal to 0. If this condition happens, then these two vectors are parallel. These two, vector A plus B and this vector are parallel. You know the condition for the parallelism of the two vectors A and B is vector A equal to lambda times of B. Therefore, this vector A plus B is equal to, we don't know lambda whether positive or negative, plus or minus lambda I will write, times of 2I plus 3J plus 4K. Therefore, taking the modulus sign, modulus of A plus B is given, it is root 29, is equal to modulus of plus or minus is plus only lambda, and magnitude of this factor is once again 2 square 4 plus 9 13 plus 16 29. So as these cancel on both sides, lambda value is 1. Lambda value is 1. Therefore, vector A plus B equal to 1 of 2I cap, 1 of 3J cap, 1 of 4K cap. Therefore, our required one is A plus B dot minus 7I plus 2J plus 3K. A plus B value is 2. 2 dot this 2 into, we would like to find this dot product. A plus B is there here and this vector. Dot product of the two vectors, if A and B are the two vectors, A dot B equal to A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. Their individual direction ratios should be multiplied. Minus 7 into 2 is minus 14. Next 2 into 3 is 6. Next 3 into 4 is 12. 12 plus 6 minus 14 plus 6. It is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 12 is 4. The required value will be 4. That is option. Our option given is here it is 4. Option C is right.